Sunday, February 11, 2024. Sixth Sunday in Ordinary Time, World Day of the Sick, Day of Health Apostolate. Focus. Moved with pity, he touched him and said to him, "I will be clean." Health is not the absence of sickness, but rather the presence of wellness. It is something positive that makes one smile, puts a spring in one's step, makes one hum a tune, whistle, or even sing. Health now includes spiritual and mental well-being. Just as our understanding of health has evolved over time, our attitude to minorities or those suffering is changing. Whether it is people afflicted with HIV/AIDS, mental illness, addiction, or who claim alternative sexualities. Especially under Pope Francis, the Church stresses engagement with such persons, not excluding them as sinners. In fact, the Holy Father's message for World Health Day 2023 was entitled, "Take Care of Him. Compassion as a synodal exercise of healing." This is much as Jesus did when he healed the leper. Rejecting others is against our call. We cannot shun people of cultures or food habits different from ours, example Muslims and halal meat or prasad of the Hindus. Saint Paul touches on this topic in the first reading. As Jesus said, "It is not what goes into the mouth that defiles a person, but what comes out of the mouth." We must therefore be more careful about what we speak than what we eat. Fruit. Let me live my life imitating Christ by being compassionate to those suffering or lonely.